I get in conversation every once in a while about battery-operated cuckoo clocks. Now, this is a beautiful battery-operated cuckoo clock. Rhythm, Japanese made. It's a beautiful clock. It's got the little couple that dance here. It's got some deer that rotate. It's got the water wheel. This clock was given to me. You, in my personal opinion, you have to be an electrical engineer to know how to work on these clocks. Here is the inside of the clock. You have a circuit board here. There's diodes and stuff on that circuit board. You got a motor here that trips the music. It's been a while since I've worked on this clock, but here's the movement. But this movement also is what makes the cuckoo bird go out and makes the cuckoo sound. Now, the problem that with these battery-operated cuckoo clocks is let's say this movement is bad. Finding a movement is the difficult thing. Now you could replace this. You could put a different battery operated movement in this thing, but the cuckoo is not going to function. It has to be a movement exactly like this to make the cuckoo function. This also goes to the nighttime shut-off lever, which is on the side, and it also connects to these wires that got to do with the music box. So if you could find one of these movements, it's going to cost you more than what you could buy one of these new clocks for, or close to it. The ones that I've seen were extremely expensive, and I'm not going to pay their asking price for a battery-operated clock. That's why I like manual clocks. It still has bellows. Here's the bellow. And I don't remember if there's one or two bellows. In my little bag here, I only have one bellow. So it might have another bellow somewhere else. Like I said, it's been a while since I worked on this clock. Nice plastic, hollow weights, huge weights. It is a beautiful clock. Do not get me wrong. I love it when it's working. But when it's not working, other than swapping out batteries, I don't know what to do to it. Like I said, you have to be an electrical engineer to be able to figure this stuff out. And so that is why I don't like battery-operated cuckoo clocks. With antique or vintage cuckoo clock, the one that has the mechanical movement, even if the parts are not available, most of the time I have been able to manipulate or to create a part Or you could buy a used clock that has the same type of system in it and steal those parts to fix your part. And you could buy those parts for a decent price. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. So, anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. Like I said, I would love to see this thing working again. It is beautiful. Water wheel, the deer that rotate, the deer and a skunk, I guess you would say it is. The people that dance. Beautiful clock. But I'd much rather have a mechanical clock.